we like to do with cages when we get them is get them raw so that we can add any accessories that we want to them and then get them powder coated. One of our favorite things is if you have little kids in the back seat, one of the things is you always want them to wear a helmet just for safety. But the problem is the helmets are too heavy for their heads, and so they're bouncing around, their neck's getting tired, they're not having fun, you're not having fun as a parent. What we do is we weld hooks like right in line with their seat over the cage, and then we get these like anchor points from, they're from GoPro. They have a really sticky 3M like double-sided tape behind them. These things, when they go on, they don't come off. They work really well. And then we just take a bungee cord, and so we put the kids in the car, and then we'll clip this on the cage, and that will help hold the helmet. And then you can shorten the bungee cord so that that just kind of keeps some of the weight off their neck. They're still free to look around. They can still move their head. They can look everywhere. They can look down, but it's just going to help hold the weight of the helmet. A lot of people use like the helping hands that go around the back of the seat, but that traps the kids so they can't look around, and then they get claustrophobic, and at least my kids never enjoyed those. So with these, they'll fall asleep, and you're playing around in the dunes, mobbing through the desert, and their kids are in the back seat passed out, having a great time. So it's just one of those things that we like to do, and just a little tip for keeping your kids and your family happy and safe on the trail.